Hi guys, welcome you all to this channel Be Nosy, and I am your name Shiva. So, are you a YouTuber? And to create thumbnails in Photoshop and the similar software like Photoshop, that's GIMP 2.10. You can download GIMP 2.10 from the link in the description for free. To open GIMP folder, and this is the GIMP 2.10 manipulation program. So to make the timelines, first in the left of the GIMP, click Files, Open, and you can open anything. For I opening a stadium, click. So I have opened it. And to insert images into this, select again File, and now you have to select the fourth option as Open as Layers, and you can use any image you have in your desktop. So I am opening my image, and so the image is being in center. So make it in corner. I'm going to take the dragging option, which is the left side. See it. This is a dragging option. By this tool, you can drag your images. So I'm dragging the left corner, and you can add some more images too. Click File and open as layers, and I'm going to open my logo. I'm going to drag it by the drag option, the corner of the right corner. I'm going to insert another one. No, now we can write a text. So for writing text, you should click option C. You can see that the text A, and you can create a box, and from this you can choose the color. If you click, you can choose the color. You can change the font size by clicking up and down. By the up, you can increase the font size, and by clicking color, you can change any color. I'm going to choose red and click OK. So I'm going to type Be Nosy, and now I'm going to type subscribe. Oh, it's too small, so I can select all and I can make them big. See, the letter is being big, and here is bold option, and italic and underline. By this, you can create a thumbnail, and you can export it from the file. Click File and export as. Click and you can export the images to your desktop or local disk. So I'm going to export it to desktop. Click Export. And another one time click it. Now you can see that it's being exported. Yes, that's been exported. Thank you guys for your support. This is how you can make a thumbnails for your YouTube channel, and you can like, comment, share, and subscribe for more software tutorials and science topics, food, travel, and many more very